Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro, my 1-year anniversary, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. A year ago I purchased my DJI Mavic Pro, so I thought I'd take a step back to go through that, why I ended up purchasing the Mavic Pro, some of my initial thoughts during that time, and also some footage from my first flight. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into that here. The reason I ended up purchasing the DJI Mavic Pro, I had some discussions with a couple of friends of mine on Facebook, and they pointed me at several articles. I did do a lot of reading, and they also showed me several of the videos that they had shot with their Mavic Pro. So I went ahead and I made the decision to go ahead and purchase the DJI Mavic Pro in February of last year. One of the things that impressed me as I did my unboxing was the size of it. I could not believe how small it was. And then I unfolded the arms, and I was very, very impressed with that. Now, after getting it fired up and looking at the controller, that's another thing that right out of the box pretty much really impressed me was the controller and the display on the controller, and that you would have data on the controller as far as altitude, airspeed, and so forth. That I thought was just fantastic. That blew me away. I was not expecting all that data. I knew there was a display on there, but I did not know the length or the extent of the data. When I got started, you know, I did what I did when I had my Autel Robotics X-Star Premium. I went out to DJI's website, and they also pointed me to their YouTube channel, which was great. They did have some good tutorials on how to get started, but to me, there were a lot of questions that were unanswered. So one of the things that I can say that I did was, I'm going to give a shout out to Ed Ricker and also to Billy Kyle. There are 2 videos out there, and I'm going to put links in the description to both of those. One with Ed, it was a very thorough, in-depth getting started with the Mavic. And also from Billy Kyle, he did one explaining all of the modes, which was, I think that's probably one of Billy's best videos out there. So kudos to you, Ed, and to Billy for those videos. They really made a difference for me in getting the Mavic Pro up and running. So without further ado, I'm going to roll my first flight clips here. So I hope you enjoy them, and then I'm going to come back and with some closing thoughts here. So let's get to them. Okay, I hope you like those clips here. Several things that I wanted to go over again. It seemed to me also too, which was really kind of funny, it was a carryover from when I had my X-Star Premium, was I forgot to hit the record button when I took off. You know, you're so focused on a lot of things, you're not, you know, I wasn't focused on getting the record button. So that's something that I had to get to and that I had to learn here. You know, I can't say enough about, you know, the DJI Go app. It's fantastic, but there was a learning curve with it. And also being able to go and find where I needed to make changes and adjustments and so forth. You know, again, you know, there was something that I had to get used to. And I want to thank both Ed and Billy Kyle, Ed Ricker and Billy Kyle, for their videos that they put out. They really made a difference in me getting my Mavic Pro up and running, and I can't thank them enough. If you like the content from today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about my channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily reviews regarding the drone and drone industry, and of course anything DJI related, and also my blog, where I do post all of these videos. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!